Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 8P and GoPro Fluid Pro AI. DJI brings ActiveTrack 8.0, the detachable frame-tap touchscreen remote, and a compact folding design built around smartphone creators. On the other hand, GoPro Fluid Pro AI supports smartphones, GoPro cameras, and compatible compact cameras, while also offering an 18-hour maximum battery and detachable AI tracking. Both deliver 3-axis stabilization and creator-friendly lighting, but DJI focuses more on refined smartphone control, whereas GoPro pushes versatility and endurance. So the big question is, do you need smarter phone-focused features or a more flexible gimbal for multiple devices? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two gimbals and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, portability, and compatibility, because this is where these two gimbals immediately show very different priorities. The DJI Osmo Mobile 8P weighs around 386 grams with its built-in tripod and magnetic clamp, and it folds down to just 196 by 105 by 38 millimeters, making it much easier to pack for travel. Its 215 millimeter extension rod also helps with selfies, low-angle shots, and wider compositions, while the widened tripod stance improves stability on flat surfaces. On the other hand, the GoPro Fluid Pro AI weighs around 454 grams before adding a camera, but that extra weight comes with a rugged rubberized grip, weather-sealed joints, and interchangeable mounts for smartphones, GoPro cameras, and compatible compact cameras up to a 400-gram payload. The mounts can also be swapped without tools in roughly 10 seconds. So if you value lightweight portability and smartphone convenience, DJI has the advantage, but GoPro is far better suited to creators who regularly switch between different cameras. Moving on to stabilization and gimbal performance, both models use 3-axis systems designed to smooth out hand movement, walking, and more dynamic camera motion. The DJI Osmo Mobile 8P uses DJI's 8th generation stabilization system with around 20% more motor torque than the previous generation, which means the motors can react more confidently when your phone shifts during movement. It also offers pan-tilt-follow, pan-follow, FPV, and spin-shot modes, plus unlimited 360-degree panning for more creative movement. On the other hand, the GoPro Fluid Pro AI uses an orthogonal motor system with a 335-degree tilt and roll range alongside unlimited 360-degree panning. It maintained smooth footage across a GoPro Hero, an iPhone 15 Pro, and a Sony ZV-1 during walking, stair climbing, panning, and light jogging without noticeable jitter or lag. That means if you prioritize polished smartphone stabilization, DJI performs brilliantly, but GoPro has the edge when you need consistently smooth results across a wider range of devices. When it comes to AI tracking and solo shooting, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8P becomes especially impressive. ActiveTrack 8.0 inside DJI Mimo can follow fast-moving subjects, manage complicated scenes with multiple people, and even let you choose where your subject appears inside the frame. The multifunctional Module 2 expands tracking beyond people by recognizing pets, vehicles, objects, and landmarks, and it can reacquire a subject after that person temporarily leaves the frame. DJI also adds Apple Dock Kit support and the detachable frame tap remote, which features a 1.4-inch touchscreen and allows remote control from up to 25 meters over Wi-Fi. On the other hand, the GoPro Fluid Pro AI uses a detachable AI module for face and body tracking, and it also supports gesture controls for hands-free recording and repositioning. Its tracking performs well in good conditions, but it can drift when subjects move too quickly or disappear from view. So if you value advanced tracking and precise solo control, DJI is clearly the stronger option. When it comes to battery life, lighting, and the overall shooting experience, GoPro starts to pull ahead in endurance. The DJI Osmo Mobile 8P is rated for up to 10 hours under ideal conditions, which is more than enough for typical smartphone shoots. Using the multifunctional Module 2 and its fill light can reduce practical runtime to around 4 hours, so heavy tracking and lighting use will drain the battery much faster. DJI's Module 2 gives you 8 brightness levels and 8 color temperature settings from 2500 to 6,500 Kelvin, which helps match warmer indoor scenes or cooler daylight. On the other hand, the GoPro Fluid Pro AI reaches up to 18 hours when mainly stabilizing and around 6 to 8 hours when AI tracking and lighting are active. Its fill light adjusts from 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin, and USB power output can charge your phone or camera during recording. That means if you prioritize long shooting days, outdoor use, and keeping multiple devices powered, GoPro delivers the more practical overall experience. As for my final verdict, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8P is the better choice for smartphone-first creators who want advanced tracking, compact portability, and powerful remote control through frame tap. On the other hand, GoPro Fluid Pro AI is the stronger all-rounder for creators who use different cameras, shoot for longer periods, or need a more rugged setup with better battery endurance. DJI wins for refined mobile filmmaking, while GoPro wins for flexibility and versatility. That's all for today's video, so subscribe for more comparisons and comment below if you have any questions.